Going on? This is BJ with All Blue Signals. Um, Man, we are right here. I'm doing the 1 minute, 5 minute, even 15 minute uh, chart killer strategy that I do most times. Um, you can make a significant amount off of these plays, man. And so, what I'm gonna do is pretty much do this whole play live. We might pause here and there, but we're gonna do this whole play live just off of the strategy that I'm showing you guys. So this is the 1 minute chart, what it looks like so far. And everything that you're learning in this course, I'm implementing in this strategy right here. So you can see we're on a sale with a $40 lot. And yeah, man, we're just gonna ride it out to see where it takes us. And hopefully we make some bread, you know. We're right here at a major, which was resistance, is support now. A daily line. My blues on my daily. So this is a major line of resistance or support. So, and all you need for this strategy to work really is patience. Everything you're learning in this course, you just need patience. So I'm gonna pause it right now, and then we will get back to it once it starts to go, because it could take a while, maybe 10-15 minutes. But all right. Okay, we back a little bit. Back here on the 5 minute, and as you see, a few candlesticks went. It's bouncing right now, but it's trying. So we still 58.60 down. It's the same $40 lot. But man, this thing takes patience, man. Like, so, for real patience, and you got to know which pairs you're playing too. So it may jump up into the negative for a little drawback sometime, but that's cool because you know the overall direction of where you're trying to go with it. So don't let it scare you, you know. And another thing is chart patterns. Man, chart patterns are so important with like what we trying to do here. So let's just wait it out real quick, see what happens. And honestly, man, we could probably draw a nice little chart pattern real quick. And man, we can do it like that. And then we can come over here with the other line. So we're gonna take two trend lines, and we're gonna try to do this thing correctly. Bam. So that looks like a rising wedge to me. I don't know about you, but that looked like a rising wedge to me. And what happens in the rising wedges is that it's in a bullish market as of right now, but the more and further this rising wedge goes, the bulls start to lose the momentum, and that's when the turnaround comes. I mean, so that's why you'll see me saying some of the studies, draw your chart patterns first, because your chart patterns will give you kind of idea of what's happening and how close you are to the turnaround. So, all right, man, we'll come back when this actually did it broke out this wedge. Yo, we back, and this thing been going for a while, man. Now it finally came out this pennant that we drew up here. Go to 5 minute. We drew this pennant here. So on the 1 minute is busting out that pennant towards the downside. It's losing momentum, and as you see right here, it just closed on the 1 minute chart under the 50 moving and the 8 moving average, which is key. So let's see if we're gonna keep getting some momentum to the downside here to complete this 1 minute chart killer. Now, man, just catching these 1 minute chart killers will give you a daily paycheck. Like you working a 10-hour shift, you can make you $100 a day. It just think about it. Your mindset. It takes a person making $10 an hour to make $100 a day. They have to work a 10-hour shift. If you just kill 2 to 3 of these chart killers, or even one, depending on your lot size, you can make some significant money here, man. So, but yeah, like I said, I wanted to do this live video and talk about this, man, because this is real key. This is some good stuff right here that I'm giving y'all. And we just gonna ride it out. So we got the downward momentum. You see how it broke out of that upward wedge, and using everything else that you're learning in this mini course that we gave out is key, man. So yeah, we're gonna go here. We 40 down or 50 down, but it's going in our direction now. We got some bearish engulfing candlesticks, and this thing should start making lower lows, lower highs, and this is the start of the reversal. It crossed under the 8 and 50 moving average, man. So we just gotta wait. So let's just see what it does, and we'll stay click back in as soon as we get a little further down in profits. Yo, so we back. Price came down, came out the pennant, retested, came back through the pennant, but we got here to this major resistance line on a 15-minute chart. It tested that resistance line, and then it broke back out the pennant now. So we got a nice strong wick right here, which hopefully, it starts to go our way. So we're just waiting. You just gotta have patience with this. Not all of them will be quick. You just gotta know which direction you're going and trust your process. As you see, it's still moving to the downside. So it retested the pennant. So let's just see what happens. And it's moving pretty good now. Let's see if it crosses over that 8 moving average, which is the blue line, and the black line is the 50 moving average. So the 8's right here, and this is the 50 below it. If this price closes below the 50, we can possibly see a nice downside to this daily zone again, which would be, let's see how many pips from price where we are to this daily, about 6 to 7 pips. And for us, 6 to 7 pips on the 40 lot, that would be about almost $300. That's about 2 days work for somebody making 2-3 days work for somebody making $10 an hour. Look at that. We're going up. We're in profit. We're out of profit. It's going in our direction. And we're just gonna hold it, man. We're just gonna keep watching it and keep going with it. And just watch the whole progression of this. Look at that. 50.47. You can take profit now if you wanted to, but this 1 minute chart killer is the truth, man. It is the truth. And all you have to do is just be patient. 127, 167. Look at that. Down to the daily zone line, like I said. Closed out. Let's just see. Let's just watch. We could have took profits, but let's just watch. Let's just see what it does. It might go back up and well, it already retested the 50, so let's just be patient and see what happens here. So let's just be patient. I'm gonna pause it and we'll come back when we go into deeper profits. We coming back. So price came down to about our daily zone, then did a pullback, which is normal. This is about the 61.8 mark on the fib. Let's put that on there real quick. Bam. So you see price dropped right here on the fib level, which I use the fib. Of quite a bit in my trading, but not more so for this 1 minute chart killer strategy. So now I'm expecting price to like really take a deep dive here. 47 in, and let's just keep on watching. We'll just let it play out. Let you guys see, but I'm gonna keep pausing it, man, just for the slow parts and everything. So I'm gonna pause it again until we get to where I feel is a good spot. But as you see, right direction, retest off the wedge. I believe price is gonna try to close under this blue daily zone, which, you know, so far, man, 1 minute chart killer, you could take your profits, 43, 29, whatever. You could take your profits if you want. But yeah, always draw up that chart pattern first. Find a zone of resistance above. I seen this 15-minute zone. I had put a sell stop right here. It had backed up and hit that sell stop before I can change it. But still, it's still in good shape. So, yep. We'll come back. Yo, we back. Look at that. 1 minute chart killer, man. I'm trying to tell you, this thing is the truth. 185, man. That's like a 12-hour shift. Look at this thing. It's ridiculous, bro. It's ridiculous. You cannot lose doing this. Cannot lose. I just wanted to do this video to show y'all how this 1 minute chart killer is the truth. So, look at that, 192. I'm gonna actually close this out. I could take it a lot farther if I wanted to, but 145, closing profits. Bang. Let's go. Yep, today so far, I did 464. All off the 1 minute chart killer. As you see, all blue signals. That last one, the GBP, JPY, 134. But yeah, this 1 minute chart killer is the truth, man. I can't say it no more, man. You did a great job choosing this mini course. And we'll go from there. All blue signals. Follows us on Instagram, DM us. We got signals. We have everything that you might need as a beginner trader. Man, I didn't put in over 10,000 hours doing this stuff, man. I just want to help everybody. So the mini course is up on the website. If you haven't gotten it, if you have get it, you'll learn everything that I just did right here. And you'll be on point. So follow us on Instagram, all blue signals, and go to our website, allbluesignals.com, and sign up for our signal package, which is very reasonable for a month. And you also can sign up for the mini course right here. This mini course, man, is going for the low right now. With what I just made, 134, you can buy this mini course dang near 3 times. We basically giving it away because we want to show people how to make this money. So, all right.